baby back ribs in a Char-Griller 22-inch kettle. Oh yeah, so this is going to be the second cook in this kettle. So I thought, you know what, we'll do some baby backs. And you know what, I'm going to do a 3-2-1 method because it's a good day today. I just want to be out here relaxing, so I want a long length of time being out here cooking. So why not, let's just do that method. Whether you love it or hate it, I'm going to do it. So I'm going to kick back, listen to music, drink a few brews, and then test out this kettle on longevity of cooking 6 hours and see how well it does. So I know from time to time I'm going to have to add more lump charcoal. I'm still using the Char-Griller lump charcoal. So if that runs out, then I'm going to switch to B&B char logs. But yeah, let's just keep it going. I seasoned it with the Salt Lick all-season barbecue rub. Love that rub. So I'm going to try to keep the temp around 250. It's windy today, but I've adjusted the top vent and the bottom vent, and it's done great on temperature going down. So to be honest, you know, I'm going to say that we probably won't have an issue with controlling temperature, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's pretty much the plan for today. So stick around and let's see what happens. I want to show you, if you can read, it says it's 252. So you know, I am taking the temp of the cooking grate right now. The reason I'm doing that, so it's 252, is because let's see where it's at here on the temp gauge. So what do you think? Is it accurate? Pretty close. That's 250, 260. So I don't know. What do you think? Is this temp gauge working well? But I just wanted to show you on that. And then here it is. There. There's the lump. Still going, still going. I want to say maybe sometime in the second hour I'll have to add some more, but for now, that's that. But yeah, I'm gonna get me my spritz bottle because it is dry. It's just water. That's it. You can add what you want, but I'm just going with water. But yeah, so far so good, and temps are doing good. So it's holding around the temp that I wanted at 250. So I just wanted to make sure with the grate level that to see if it is at least matching with the temp gauge on the lid of the Char-Griller kettle. So I think it's pretty good, unless you don't think so, but I think so. But yeah, but let's continue on. We're at the 2-hour mark. That wind is crazy right now, but that's what it is. It's looking good. Let's get a close up. Yeah, looking pretty good, pretty good. There's the lump, so I'm gonna add some more lump because it needs it. But I'm gonna spray it down real quick. Then there's water. Yep. Set you to the side. You see inside? No. Oh, right. Oh. Got some right there. Got some right there. Let me get this one and bring it back this way. There we go. Yeah. Get it like that. Like I've mentioned before in the first cook, I'm a professional, so yeah, got my hands in there, but I'm gonna go for one more. Just like that. Straight down again. But I think this coming along pretty good. Let me just add some more. But yeah, that's what we got right there. And I've just got to say that controlling temp has been wonderful with this kettle. So no issues at all. If I need to raise the temp, it goes up. If I need to drop it, it drops. So yeah, but we'll continue on. We'll get to that 3-hour mark, and then we'll wrap it. So that's reading right, what, 250? And let's see, 246. So is that pretty good? But let's check it out. We're at 3 hours. Oh yeah, look at that. That is nice. It's got a nice color. Oh yeah, that is nice. Yep, and then there's the lump, the Char-Griller lump. So that's doing pretty well. Alright, so I'm gonna take it off, wrap it up, and let it go for 2 hours. Alright, so we're gonna add some beer right there, and then I get some honey. Just mix it up right there. That rib candy, apple cherry, habanero. So it's gonna be, whoo, it's gonna be burning your mouth. Let's just mix it all like that. Yeah. And then the same process over. Tell you, these, they smell so good. These baby backs. Man, they smell good. Alright. It's gonna be hot. It's gonna be flavor, and it's gonna be burning your mouth. Oh, we got it right. So like that. Bring the rest of it in. One like that. One like that. And there you go. So let's put it back on the kettle. Alright, so the meat's face down, bones are up. Yeah. So we're gonna let it ride for 2 hours. At this point, since it's wrapped, you know, I'm not gonna be so worried about the temp. I'll let it go from 250 to 300. I'm cool with that because it's wrapped anyways. And then once it's that 2 hours is done, I'm gonna wrap them and put them back on to the kettle so they can firm up. Alright, let's see, give you a visual. It's reading at 252. You see it? That's 252 right there. And I don't know if you'll be able to read it there. But that's just above, we're right around 250, so yeah, but 2 hours have passed, so it's time to take the baby backs off, unfoil them, and put it back onto the kettle. And I did, after the 5th hour mark, I did with these lump charcoal, move them around because the temp was going down. So I brought them all together in one pile, and then they started back up again. So they're kind of distance away from where the heat was at. So after that, they've been holding steady around 250. But yeah, so I'm gonna get them off and go for one more hour, and then at the 30 minutes before the 6 hours, I'm gonna put on a link of sausage. You gotta have sausage with this, right? But yeah, so I'm gonna take it off. All right, so it's looking good. And they're gonna firm up for a bit, for about an hour. Like I said, 30 minutes before that 6 hour mark, I'm gonna add some sausage to it. I'm gonna add some more lump to it. Look at this big piece right here. All right, get that going right there. All right, so come on now, that should be good enough right there. Let's keep it going. But yeah, man, they looking good. I'm ready to eat. So I'm gonna let this go, like I said, for an hour. All right, let's look at the temp again. 257. And that's what, just above 250. Yeah. So what do you think? Is this temp gauge pretty good? But yeah, look at that. Oh yeah, oh man. What do you think? What do you think? Yeah, I know. There's no need for 3, 2, 1. There's no need. But hey, I've been out here having a good time. So, yeah, that's what it's all about. Barbecuing. But that's beautiful, guys and ladies. That's beautiful. There's that sausage right there. So the sausage ain't done yet. And there's the lump. So yeah, so this lump right here has done well for me so far. But let's do one more time. Look at that. It's gonna be so flavorful. So flavorful. But yeah, so I'm gonna take it off, let it rest for a bit, and then I'm gonna grub. Well, alright. This was a real good cook. A real good cook. I mean, you know, I just wanted to be out here just to relax, have a good time. It's Friday, Good Friday, so enjoy my time, enjoy my day off. I think I had accomplished that, and was out here for 6 hours listening to music, drinking some brew, cooking. So yeah, I think I accomplished what I needed to do today. And I gotta say, this kettle right here from Char-Griller, it's been impressive so far. And saying, if I needed to keep the temps low, I was able to adjust the bottom, the top vents, and accomplish that with ease. I mean, there was no struggling to keep the temps low. If they went up high, you know, I mean, it was impressive. But so, and the Char-Griller lump charcoal, that was did well too on that, and I still got some left over. I'll be using that again. So I'm impressed so far. Second cook with this kettle right here. I have a feeling that we're gonna do a lot together, and I'm excited about that. But this is it right here. Mm-hmm. Mm. You can taste the Texas pepper jelly, the habanero. And I think I forgot to say that I did take out the membrane. So it makes it easier just to bite through it. Man. My God. Is that clean? Man. Oh, shit. That was delicious. That was delicious. But, you know, I'm happy with this kettle, and this is what it's all about. Just showing what else this kettle can do. Last time I did chicken legs, now I did baby back ribs. So we'll see what's next, but I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Well, as you know, I got food to eat, so I'm gonna call it quits on this right here. But as always, thank you so much. Bye. Thank you for watching. Smoke on, everyone. Oh man, feels good to have a day off.